इफ यू फील दैट इसमें से कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है तो बोलो, आई आई विल सॉल्व दैट। यस। So what is the first question? The first question is x raised to 3 by 2. So whenever you see a problem, you try to see the table. कौन से फॉर्म में है तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन, करेक्ट? What was the table? This was x raised to n, e raised to x, a raised to x log x. We are having only this much formula. So in the first question, it is x raised to 3 by 2. So this is of this form. So you know that what is the derivative of that? N into x raised to n minus 1. So that is y equal to x raised to 3 by 2. So what is the derivative? Dy by dx will be what? 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. Correct? N x raised to n minus 1. That is what? 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 1 minus 1. That is 1 by 2, na? So 1 by 2 is same as root 2. So it will be 3 by 2 root x. This is the derivative. Correct? This is the answer for the first question. Now what is the second one? This is 10x raised to 29. How will you do this? You know the rule, that is if you are having a constant, 10x raised to 29, correct? You have a rule that if you have a constant, you can take constant outside, that is dy by dx. This will be what? 10 outside. It is just derivative of x raised to 29. This is again of the form x raised to n. And what is the formula? X raised to n का formula क्या है? That is n into x raised to n minus 1. So that will be 29 into x raised to 29 minus 1. So what is that? This is 290 x raised to 28. This is your final answer. Correct for the second one. Yes. And what about the third one? That is y equal to 20 log x. Same thing. I'll take 20 outside. Derivative of log x, that is, uh, I'll put it here. Dy by dx, that will be equal to 20 outside. It will be derivative of log x. And what is derivative of log x? Look at the table. Correct? Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Perfect. So this will be 20 by x. This is my answer of this question. What about this one? How will you solve this? This is y equal to x square. Very nice. That is multiplication formula. And what is that formula? Derivative of uv. What is that rule? That is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Correct? You just remember this thing. So you just need to decide u किसको लेना है, v किसको लेना है. So by default we'll take the first one as u, the second one as v. So what will be derivative? Dy by dx, it will be u, keep this as it is, that is x square, derivative of v. So I'll just write derivative of log x. Correct? And plus v as it is, that is log x as it is. Whenever you write log x, you try to keep a bracket, because sometimes people used to fill log of some term. So once you keep a bracket, then it will be good. And derivative of x square. So let us see what is derivative of log x. That is 1 upon x, and log x as it is, as I'm putting bracket all the time, you mind it. And the derivative, that will be 2x. If you don't put the bracket, some people will think that this is log of x into 2x. So in the next step they will write log of 2x square. So you should not make that mistake. Whenever you write log, then try to put a bracket. So here what you are having, x plus this will be 2x log x. This is your final answer. Correct? Is that clear? This is UV rule. U derivative of V plus V derivative of U. That's it. That's sim. It's very simple. And what next? Yeah, the next one is, yeah. How will you solve this? 2 raised to x upon x square. Y equal to 2 raised to x upon x square. How will you solve this? Here your question is in the form of u by v, correct? And you have the rule for that also, correct? That is u by v. What is the rule? Anybody? In the denominator it is v square, start with v, derivative of u minus u derivative of v. Very good. Correct, yes. Minus u derivative of v upon v square. Yes. So what is u and v? By default, let us take the numerator as u, denominator as v, and let us try to see. So derivative of 2 raised to x upon x square, it will be x square as it is, derivative of 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to x as it is, derivative of x square, and in the denominator it will be v square, that is x square the whole square. Correct? So this will be what? X square as it is. What is derivative of 2 raised to x? Anyone? Derivative of 2 raised to x. If you remember the table, this is of the form e raised to x. So go back to the table and see. E raised to x is a raised to x log a. So e raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Correct? So what will be for 2 raised to x? It will be 2 raised to x log 2. So derivative of 2 raised to x is what? 2 raised to x into log 2. Again I am writing log 2, then I am putting a bracket here, minus 2 raised to x into a derivative of x square. What is derivative of x square? This is again of the form x raised to n. So it will be nx raised to, correct, 2x. Nice. And that is divided by x square, this will be x raised to 4. So what is your final answer? This is your final answer. You may take 2 raised to x outside because you see 2 raised to x is there, and even you can take x also. So I'll take 2 raised to x into x outside. Let us see what I'm having. I'm having here x into log 2, and minus here I'm having 2, just 2, correct? And that is divided by x raised to 4. So x और x raised to 4 को भी cancel कर सकते हो. I'll be having 3 here. So मैं डायरेक्ट 3 लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे. I'll just remove this. Correct? Yeah. This is my final answer. Correct? यहाँ तक रखा तभी भी चलेगा, no issue. And if you solve this, then also this is okay. Correct? Good. And what is the next? The next one is this: y equal to 3 raised to x into x cube. Correct? How will you do this? This is again u into v. Correct? I hope you can do that. That is easy. And how will you do this? 12x plus 1 into 2 raised to x. Either you can consider, correct, either you can do this as u and this as v, or you can open the bracket, whatever you feel good. If you open the bracket, it will be good enough. That is 12x 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x. Correct? So you just have to multiply, you just have to use u into v here, and here you have directly the answer. Yes? Okay. Now the next one sub part is there, that is one next part, that is called chain rule of derivative. Okay, so what is chain rule? I'll just quickly explain you. That is, if you are having a function, say y equal to function, but function is again in terms of some another function, say g of x, then the derivative dy by dx will be what? Derivative of function, that is f dash of x, g of x, into you have to take that जो भी inside है ना उसका भी derivative लेना पड़ेगा, g dash of x. You have to take derivative this with respect to whatever present here, that is derivative. I'll write derivative with respect to g of x only, and then you have to take, I'll just quickly give an example. Don't worry about looking at this because this is technical term, you may get lost. So I'll just tell you one thing. See, suppose I'm having y equal to say 2 raised to 3x plus 7. Correct? So this is my question. Correct? So अभी तक हम लोगों ने ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं देखा है वेयर टू रेज टू देयर इज सम मोर टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स, करेक्ट। हम लोगों ने सॉल्व कैसे किया है, वी हैव सॉल्व टू रेज टू एक्स हो तो अपने को पता है कैसे सॉल्व करना है, करेक्ट। We have a formula that is derivative of e raised to x that tells the answer e raised to x into log a. But now at the place of x I am having some term of x. So what is my rule? जो भी x की जगह पे है उसका भी डेरिवेटिव मल्टीप्लाई करने का। Same, I will show you the table. This is in all the case. First you have to observe कौन से फॉर्म में है and then the next will be whether it is in terms of x. तो x की जगह पे कुछ भी हो सकता है, इट मे बी ए एक्स प्लस बी, इट मे बी एनीथिंग। देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक दैट इनसाइड पार्ट आल्सो। सो लुक एट द आवर क्वेश्चन इज e रेज टू x के जैसा लगा कि मतलब वी हैव टू यूज दैट फॉर्मूला। दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन। या द फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन इज दिस इज ऑफ e रेज टू x बट ऊपर x नहीं है। x की जगह पे अगर कोई भी हो ना तो उसका फिर से डेरिवेटिव लेने का। दैट मीन्स व्हाट, देखो dy बाई डी एक्स निकाला तो क्या आएगा, टू रेज टू, सपोज कंसिडर दिस एज अ एक्स, तो हम लोग को टू रेज टू एक्स का फॉर्मूला क्या पता है, इट विल बी सेम टू रेज टू एक्स, टू रेज टू थ्री एक्स प्लस सेवन इंटू लॉग टू, करेक्ट। बट दिस वॉज नॉट द केस, द केस वॉज हियर दिस वॉज नॉट एक्स। हम लोग ने क्या किया, हम लोग ने कंसिडर किया सपोज यहाँ पे एक्स ही है तो हम लोग ने फॉर्मूला लिख दिया टू रेज टू एक्स है तो टू रेज टू वॉट एवर इट मे बी, टू रेज टू दैट इंटू लॉग टू। बट हियर दैट वॉज नॉट एक्स, सो आई विल जस्ट multiply by the derivative of what the people is there, that is 3x plus 7. दिस इज द एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट। x की जगह पे जो हो उसका डेरिवेटिव फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है तुमको। दैट इज टू रेज टू थ्री एक्स प्लस सेवन multiply by log 2 multiply by what is derivative of 3x plus 7, it will be derivative of 3x and derivative of 7, 7 तो constant है उसका डेरिवेटिव 0, 3x का डेरिवेटिव 3 will be outside, I'll put a bracket here, see you always keep a bracket, that will be 3 here and x का डेरिवेटिव 1, yeah that's it, just 3. So this is your final answer. Do you see what extra is required here? You have to see x की जगह पे कौन एक्स्ट्रा है उसका डेरिवेटिव अलग से करने का। जैसे एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं, से y इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ सम 2x प्लस 3, दिस इज माय फंक्शन। नाउ वी नो दैट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ लॉग x क्या होता है, दैट इज 1 अपॉन x, दिस इज व्हाट वी नो, करेक्ट। बट यहाँ पे x की जगह पे कौन है, कोई और है, करेक्ट है। तो हम लोग को क्या करना है, इसका डेरिवेटिव बाद में लिखना है, तो पहले ये लिख लेने का, इसको कंसिडर करने का। सपोज दिस इज x, तो व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव, dy बाई डी एक्स लॉग ऑफ सपोज दिस इज x, तो आंसर क्या आता मेरा, 1 अपॉन वट एवर इट मे बी x, दैट इज 2x प्लस 3। तो मैंने डेरिवेटिव में पहले इसका डेरिवेटिव लिख लिया लॉग ऑफ वट एवर इट मे बी, आई एम पुटिंग दैट इज 1 अपॉन 2x प्लस 3। वट एक्स्ट्रा आई हैव टू डू, that is I considered this as x, but this is not x, no, this is something else, so I have to take the derivative of this guy also, that is derivative of whatever this guy is, 2x plus 3. So that means 2x plus 3 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 एंड 3 का डेरिवेटिव 0, so I'll be having 2 upon 2x plus 3, correct. So this is my derivative. Yeah, I'll give one more example. Say y equal to x plus 3 raised to 7, correct. अभी ये तुमको सॉल्व करना है, you know what, x plus 3 नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं, मे बी थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट बनाता हूँ, 3x plus 7 raised to 11. इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व दिस डेरिवेटिव, करेक्ट, वन वे इज दैट कि ये 11 टाइम फैक्टराइज करके फिर हर एक टर्म का डिफरेंशिएशन लो, बट आई नो दैट इज डिफिकल्ट, करेक्ट, नॉट डिफिकल्ट, दैट इज क्वाइट लेंदी, बट वी डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट टाइम इन दैट एक्सपांडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। सो व्हाट डू यू सी, ये फॉर्म में कैसा है, दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू n, एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज n x रेज टू n minus 1. So what will you do? What is the technique? You consider this guy as x. Suppose this is my x. So what will be my derivative? Derivative will be what? X raised to n. It will be n x raised to n minus 1. That means what? It will be 11 and वो x की जगह पे जो हो हम लोग को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता फॉर नाउ, इट विल बी 11 माइनस 1, करेक्ट। जस्ट मैंने कंसिडर किया कि ये सपोज मेरा x ही है, सो एक्स रेज टू 11 का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? इट इज 11 इंटू एक्स रेज टू सॉरी 11 माइनस वन, करेक्ट? या बट हम लोग ने इसको कंसिडर किया था ना, बट दैट इज नॉट एक्स. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? You have to multiply by derivative of whatever that guy, that is 3x plus 7, correct? So what I'm having now, I'm having 11, this is 3x plus 7 raised to 10, and what is derivative of 3x plus 7? That is 3. So what is answer? 33 into 3x plus 7 raised to 10. Do you see how simple it is? नहीं तो expand करके करना होता, it would be quite difficult task. I hope it is clear to you. Correct. Let me tell some more example. Uh, say y equal to say 3x square plus 2x plus 1 raised to 3. You want to find differentiation of this. So what is your first observation? कौन से फॉर्म में है ये? टेबल में से कौन से फॉर्म में है ये? वेदर इट इज एक्स रेज टू एन, ए रेज टू एक्स, लॉग एक्स, ई रेज टू वट एवर. सो वट डू यू थिंक? ऊपर एक कांस्टेंट नंबर है and इधर एक्स. परफेक्ट, वेरी नाइस. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्शन अगर मिला ना तो यू आर डन. सो यू ऑब्जर्व दैट दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म एक्स रेज टू एन, एंड आंसर उसका क्या होता है? एन एक्स रेज टू एन माइनस वन. सो व्हाट विल यू डू? यू जस्ट कंसीडर जो भी है इसको एक्स समझते हैं हम लोग. सॉल्व फॉर डेरिवेटिव. डी वाई बाई डी एक्स क्या आएगा? सपोज दिस इज माई एक्स एंड एक्स रेज टू थ्री है, तो आंसर क्या होता है? थ्री एक्स रेज टू थ्री माइनस वन, करेक्ट? एंड वट इज माई एक्स? जो भी हो जस्ट लिख देने का, करेक्ट? बट हम लोग ने इसको अज्यूम किया कि ये एक्स है, करेक्ट? बट दिस इज नॉट एक्स. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वट एवर दैट गाय, that is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So let us do, this is 3 into this is 3x square plus 2x plus 1, the whole square आएगा यहाँ पे. And what is the derivative? Derivative will be 3 बाहर, x square का derivative will be 2x, so it will be 3 into 2x. And for the second guy it will be 2 बाहर, derivative of x is 1, so it will be 2 as it is, derivative of constant is 0. That's it, correct? So what is your answer? It is 3 multiplied by 3x square plus 2x plus 1, the whole square multiplied by 6x plus 2. ये एक्सपांड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है ना, डोंट डू दैट अनलेस एंड अनटिल क्वेश्चन में शो दैट का क्वेश्चन हो, आइदर इट इज़ एमसीक्यू का क्वेश्चन है तो करने का, नहीं तो पूरा एक्सपांड करने की तुमको बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं. नोबडी इज आस्किंग यू दैट. द क्वेश्चन वाज जस्ट टू डिफरेंशिएट, तो हाँ डिफरेंशिएट कर लिया, दैट्स इट. अभी सॉल्व करने के लिए थोड़ी बोला हमको, करेक्ट? या let me do some more example. Say y equal to 2 raised to 3x square plus 2x plus 7. How will you do this? First observation, कौन से फॉर्म में है टेबल में से ये? Perfect, very nice. Derivative of e raised to x, and you know that the answer is a raised to x into log a. So how will you do? You'll consider जो भी x की जगह पे उसको, suppose मैं x consider करता हूँ. So what will be derivative? Derivative will be what? E raised to x log a. So it will be 2 raised to x, whatever it is. 2 raised to x square plus 2x plus 7 into log 2. Perfect. Is that okay? But हम लोग ने क्या किया? We considered this as this is my x, but this is not my x. So I have to take derivative of whatever this guy. This is derivative of 3x square plus 2x plus 7. Nice. So let us complete it quickly. That is 2 raised to 3x square plus 2x plus 7 multiply by log 2 and multiply by what is the derivative? 3x square का derivative, 3 outside, derivative of x square is, yeah, 2x, and that will be 6x, and यहाँ पे plus it will be 2, correct? This is your final answer. Just keep it as it is. Do not go on solving and opening bracket everything. Don't do that. They just ask you to differentiate, just simply differentiate and go ahead. We don't care that solving and all. Okay, I'll give one more example. Say y equal to x square plus 3x plus 7 divide by say 5 raised to 12x plus x square. Suppose this is my function. It seems difficult since this is u by v form. So पहले तो u by v का formula apply करेंगे, correct? So what is formula u by v का? V derivative of u, that is phi 12x plus x square into derivative of u, that is x square plus 3x plus 7 minus u, that is x square plus 3x plus 7 multiply by derivative of v. What is v? That is phi raised to 12x plus x square. I hope that is clear to you. मैंने क्या लिखा? I just wrote the formula 12x plus x square the whole square. Correct. What next will you do? You can easily solve this guy. That is x square plus 3x plus 7. What is derivative of this? This will be as it is plus x square. It will be x square plus 3x plus 7. It will be 2x plus 3. So we are done with this. Minus the second guy, this is as it is, x square plus 3x plus 7. Now what is the observation about this? कौन से form में you want to find the derivative of 5 raised to this, so this is of perfect, yes, e raised to x. So what is the formula for e raised to x? That is e raised to x into log a. So I'll do that only. That is 5 raised to 12x plus x square into log 5. करेक्ट. बट हम लोग ने अज्यूम किया कि यहाँ पे x है, बट हियर देयर इज नो x, सो आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वट एवर प्रेजेंट. डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हो, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग इट इन डिटेल सो दैट यू डोंट मिस एनी पार्ट. So I'm just putting derivative of 12x plus x square and divide by what will be this? This will be 2 times ना. 5 raised to, अगर तुमको ये सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम होता है तो जस्ट राइट इट 2 टाइम्स, 2 बार लिखो, then you will see that they are getting added. So it will be 24x plus 2x square. Correct? 2 will be multiplied to this guy. And you can easily do the derivative of this, and that completes your solution. That is derivative of 12x is 12 and derivative of x square is 2x. That's it. That completes your solution. Is that clear? Do you still feel any doubt or any difficulty? Then let me know, please. Or shall I go ahead? Okay, good. So next part. What happened to this? I lost that. This is a bad thing. Okay, the next part is uh, increasing and decreasing function. What is increasing? I'll just write first, then let us. I'll solve some question and I'll give homework to you. Increasing and decreasing function. What do you mean by increasing? First, let us see. Graphically, मतलब होता क्या है? Increasing, I'll be using this notation all the time. This is the notation for increasing. Increasing function graphically दिखते हैं पहले. That means what? The graph will be like this. That means अगर ये point पे मैं check कर रहा हूँ तो my function is here. After some point my function is increased. The value is increased, and after some point it is getting increased. If I take any two values, then I'll see that अगर ये दोनों छोटे हैं तो this will be this one will be bigger. Correct? My function keeps on increasing. So what is the rule to check? The simple rule to check is find the derivative f dash of x. Find the derivative of function. If derivative is positive, then you'll see that function is increasing function. Okay? If your derivative is positive, then you'll say the function is increasing function. And what about decreasing function? The graph will be something like this. correct? Graph of the function. That means at this point you are having this value which is quite higher, and after some point I'm getting reduced, I'm getting decreased value, and after some point I'm again getting decreased value. So this is what the meaning of decreasing function, and the derivative will be negative here. Derivative will be less than 0. So you just need to remember one thing: increasing function check करने के लिए you have to first take the derivative of function and check whether it is positive, whether it is greater than 0. Then you'll see that increasing and decreasing like. Okay. I'm using strictly increasing. There may be the case that this is 0. That is, what about if your f dash of x is 0? So do you remember function का derivative 0 कब होता है? Look at the table. हम लोगों ने जो table बनाया है उसमें what is the first case? If I take function as constant, then derivative is 0. So मतलब if I put derivative 0, that means my function is constant, some constant. So graph अगर बनाया ना तो function क्या रहेगा? It will be just always the same value. यहाँ पे भी यहाँ यही है, after some time भी यही है, correct? So there are three terms you can say. One is increasing, ऊपर जा रहा है, decreasing नीचे आ रहा है, and next constant is as it is. So if your derivative is positive, then you'll say that function is increasing. If your derivative is negative, then function is decreasing, and if it is 0, then function is constant. Correct? Is that okay? Is the definition clear of increasing, decreasing? Yeah, nice. So let us do some example where I'll be giving you function and you need to check whether the function is increasing or decreasing, or whether for which value of x the function will be increasing. So yeah, let us see. F of x equal to say 3x plus 7. Check whether function is increasing or decreasing. How will you do? Just find derivative f dash of x. What is derivative of function? It is 3 and derivative is positive. Do you agree? Derivative is positive. That means what? Function is increasing function. I'll just write the notation. I hope you don't have any problem. So if I'm having this as a function, so what will be my derivative? Derivative is minus 7. So derivative of function is negative. So what is my function? Function is decreasing function. Correct? Yeah. Mhm. Can you hear me? Hello? I think there is some network issue. Now let us do the problem. Find the values of x for which function is say increasing. And if I say f of x equal to say x cube or let us make it simple for you. X square plus 2x plus 3. Suppose this is my function. You need to find the value for which the function is increasing. Correct? How will you do? You Since f of x is increasing given, that means what? F dash of x must be positive. So for find the f dash of x. What is write f of x again? That is x square plus 2x plus 3. And what is f dash of x? It will be 2x plus 2. Correct? And I can solve it little bit. That is take 2 common. That is x plus 1. Correct? Yeah. So since increasing, that means what? F dash of x is greater than 0. That means what? 2 into x plus 1 is greater than 0. 2 I can divide it here, so ye gaya. So I'll be having x plus 1 is greater than 0. That means x should be less than greater than minus 1. That means when your value of x is greater than minus 1, then your function is increasing. Correct? And if the question was find the value for the function decreasing, तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? Put the derivative and put it less than 0, then you'll get that. Correct? So increasing this is how this works. So for this value, that is all the value which is greater than minus 1, you will be having function as increasing. और अगर minus 1 से छोटा रहा तो you will be having the function as decreasing function. Correct? Hmm. Okay. So for this, what is f dash of x? It is 2x minus 6. So अगर increasing की बात किया तो क्या आएगा? F dash of x is positive. That means what? You can take 2 common. So it will be x minus 3. That means what? 2 into x minus 3 is positive. That means x minus 3 is positive. That means x should be greater than 3. To have increasing, my x should be greater than 3. Same here, अगर increasing की बात करता हूँ मैं, तो first find f dash of x. What is that? 4x minus 3. Correct? And if I talk about increasing, then I will be having f dash of x is greater than 0. That is 4x minus 3 is greater than 0. That means 4x is greater than 3. That is x is greater than 3 by 4. Correct? This is simple. See, अभी तक मैंने cubic polynomial का नहीं लिया. I am taking quadratic only. ठीक है? So in the next lecture, I will be doing for cubic. Then we'll see there are some technique, and later we'll see maxima minima. Okay, I'll give some homework. Check whether function is increasing or decreasing, and if increasing, find the determine the value of x. Det or I should write determine the value of x for which function is increasing. Determine the values of x for which function is increasing and decreasing, both. I want both. Okay, so I'll put some function. See, f of x equal to uh, Log of x is to minus 3 is okay. Yeah, yeah, this much is okay. Yeah, one more. One question I'll give for cubic. Say x cube minus 3x square minus 45. I want you to think about this question, and we'll do it in the next lecture. Others are easy. Okay, I'll put it in the Google Classroom also. You can put your solutions there.